How to check mobile compatibility for an eSIM? Dial *#06#. If EID is displayed, then your handset is supported for eSIM. As shown in the unboxing video, this is the physical SIM, and with it, you'll also get an install instructions manual. So this is super easy. All you have to do is just insert your SIM in your mobile, just switch on your mobile data and data roaming, and then you're good to go. And apart from the physical SIM, they also have an option which is eSIM. You can order their eSIM from Amazon too. So once you order it from Amazon, you'll receive this envelope, which contains invoice, and you'll receive a copy which has the support contact details. It is so easy to install, guys. You'll just have to send an email or message them on WhatsApp. Instantly you'll receive the QR code, and then you can easily install your eSIM. Apart from Amazon, you can also order their eSIM on their website. It's www.ZetSIM.com. Once you successfully purchase the SIM, you'll receive the eSIM QR code along with the install instructions instantly. Now let me talk about ZetSIM. ZetSIM is a travel SIM for short-term leisure travelers. ZetSIM offers you two categories. One is only data and the other one is data plus voice plus SMS. And under data, you have two different plans. One is regular and the other one is unlimited. And under regular plan, you'll have a fixed amount of data such as 1 GB, 5 GB or 7 GB that can be used anytime during the plan period. For example, let's say it could be 7 days, 5 days or 3 days with no daily data limit. And under unlimited data plan, as per the FUP policy, you'll get a 2 GB high-speed data per day, and later on, the speed gets reduced to 256 kbps. This high-speed data resets every 24 hours. And at a voice plus data plus SMS plan, you'll receive a +1 number in your order email based on the packs that you choose. The moment you land in your destination, you'll stay connected. And the best part is, this SIM never expires. You can top it up as you wish for any country for lifetime.